put it in. We have bottom screws here, so we'll do that. So let's try to line it up there. Okay. Now we're putting in the 4 bottom screws to the 4 bottom ones. Again, if you're on the G5 2005 model, late 2005 model. Now, let's assemble the sockets here. The sockets back in. There's a latch on top here, so that only locks one way, so you can't really turn it. Now we're going to put the metal cover in. Let's get this above here. That's above here. The other cable is attached at the bottom. Okay. So that's lined up. Found a shorter screwdriver. Okay. We'll hook in the sockets. Power supply is now in. As I took these out, I marked them. There's 2 processors, so I put a B, and that's for the bottom processor. And then I have to line up this socket in here. These screws are they're Allens, and they are they're pressured, so they could just sit in there while you put it in there, because they don't need to come out. Very interesting design. So they could just stay in there. You don't have to feed them through, which is, so they're all just sitting in there. And now I get to line this up. Now those Allen screws are, I just push it down so it sits. You could feel the processor fall in the socket. pushing gently on it. Make sure it's seating. Ready? Okay, now, again, when I took it out, I marked them top and bottom, and this is now the next processor. The reverse of this is you have to unscrew the Allen, and again, they're reliant upon pressure. Okay, I could fill the processor seating in the socket. Okay, so seat it in. Okay, a 2.5 millimeter Allen, and the throw from here to about the handle has to be more than 6 inches in order to get the processors out, or in my case right here, putting them back in. So again, they are pressured. The Allens, can you get on this side? Can you see that, what I'm doing? The Allens, what they do is they expand their expansions, so you don't, they could be sitting in there and you never have to pull them out. You do two on the inside, you can't see it, but see how much the screwdriver disappears into the processor. So you have to get something with a very long throw, a tool, Allen tool, screwdriver, something that'll send an Allen down there more than a 6-inch throw. Okay, that one's going in fine. Might end up pulling that one out. There's one back here. That one did not go in well. Okay, you cut it. Okay, now you have a front plastic cover. You have two old tabs there that will sit inside. There's two holes down here, and that's where they go. Just sits there like that. There's a bottom tab, two bottom tabs. So you line up the two bottom tabs first. Okay, that's sitting in there now. And then, okay, so that just snaps in like so. Snaps in. Now, let's plug in the fan. The fan back up. So that's seating. Okay. I'll put the video card back. To get a magnetized screwdriver, just in case you lose something.